Teachers of Reddit, what is the most disturbing thing your student has ever done? 1. One of my students, high school, came in one day and handed me a pop vinyl figurine from one of her favorite bands. She said I could have it and I, not used to random gifts, asked her why she was giving it to me. She said something along the lines of she didn't need it anymore. I thanked her and told her to have a good day. The following day she killed herself. It immediately became clear why she didn't need the figurine anymore. That still bothers me. 2. I had a 5th grade student pick up 2 brick-sized rocks and try and stone another kid to death. 3. Back when I was a teacher, one of my students randomly started punching another kid, his friend, in the middle of class. No provocation whatsoever. The puncher was into bodybuilding and pretty in shape, and he had never been violent before in school, so this was both surprising and hard to break up considering his size. He broke his friend's nose and was smiling after. Had no idea what he did was weird or upsetting. 4. 7th grade. This super fucked up kid I knew picked up a pencil and without provocation straight up stabbed the teacher's pet dove to death. 5. I had a girl who couldn't be in the classroom and had to be on a one-to-one with me at all times. But she couldn't be in the